We are often distracted by the headline-grabbing fears of artificial general intelligence, the idea of a sci-fi mind living in a server. But while that debate continues, a much more immediate, decisive shift is already rewiring the way businesses operate. The real shift is agentic AI. These systems move beyond simply answering questions. They understand a specific goal, formulate a multi-step plan, and take actions across different software applications to achieve it. This shift augments human capacity with better recall, faster data processing, and enhanced reasoning across every level of the organization, from the back office to the corner office. We are currently stuck in the era of instruction-based computing. In this model, humans are the bottleneck, manually executing every minor step of a process to keep the business running. Knowledge workers spend their days buried in the mechanical scramble of drafting individual social posts, pulling data from various platforms, and manually monitoring competitor moves. By 2026, the human-computer interface moves towards intent-based computing. An employee states a desired outcome, and the computer, using agents, determines exactly how to deliver it. Moving from instruction to intent is the change required to lift the ceiling on human achievement, removing the friction of manual software management entirely. Consider the marketing manager of 2026. Their role has evolved from a manual worker into an orchestrator of a digital assembly line. They assign a single strategic intent to a system of 5 specialized agents: data, analyst, content, creative, and reporting. These agents focus on those specialized tasks simultaneously. This allows the human manager to step away from the data entry and focus on high-impact brand storytelling and long-term strategy. This integrated model transforms every employee into a human supervisor of agents. From entry-level analysts to senior vice presidents, the primary job becomes directing a team of specialized AI. Standard large language models have a significant limitation. Their knowledge is frozen at the time of their training. They cannot interact with the outside world or access your company's real-time internal facts. Reliability requires grounding, the process of anchoring an AI model's responses to a verifiable set of facts. For a business, this ground truth is its own internal data. At the pulp manufacturer Suzano, grounding Gemini in their SAP materials data allowed 50,000 employees to query complex information in natural language, resulting in a 95% reduction in query time. Grounding is what makes AI reliable enough to run core business workflows 24/7 without the risk of hallucination or outdated information. Connecting agents to this data relies on the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It provides a standardized two-way connection that allows AI applications to reach directly into real-time platforms like BigQuery. To make these agents work together, we use the agent-to-agent, or A2A protocol. This is an open standard that enables orchestration between agents, even if they were built by different developers or on different frameworks. These protocols turn individual tools into a unified digital assembly line, allowing a business process to run end-to-end with minimal manual intervention. These technical standards are the invisible infrastructure that makes autonomous, multi-step agentic systems safe, reliable, and scalable. There is a common misconception that agents act without control. In reality, humans remain the orchestrators and the final decision-makers in every workflow. The new human job description is built on 4 pillars: delegating tasks, setting clear goals, outlining the overarching strategy, and acting as the final checkpoint for quality and tone. Even complex automated transactions, like an agent purchasing a specific product the moment it becomes available, only execute based on human-defined parameters and pre-approval. The human function has shifted to provide the strategic and creative direction that AI cannot replicate. We are already seeing the impact of this shift at companies like TELUS, where 57,000 team members use AI to save 40 minutes per interaction. The ultimate driver of business value in the year 2026 is the successful upskilling of talent to manage this new model. Success requires leaders to question old assumptions and drive the specific organizational changes necessary to transition from performing mundane tasks to orchestrating agents. We are no longer just employees using tools. By 2026, we have all become the managers of an autonomous digital workforce.